How to book shifts on Flexii. If you want to book shifts or a job on Flexii that you want to apply for and make a booking process, for that, launch the Flexii app first. Now first you can filter the type of job you're looking for. You can sort them according to the highest hourly wage, earliest shift or nearest shift. Apply the filter. You can sort them up by the nearest location as well. You can sort them up by distance categories, and you can sort them up by date, and you will see a list of jobs that are available depending upon the filter that you've put. So once you have, let's say, selected a job, you can read whatever it is about that job and the requirements and all the location that they're located in. You can choose the type of shift over here, right? So here you can see the type of shift over here. Then once done, you can hit the book shift button there. Once you hit the book shift button, it'll ask you to verify a profile number or basically verify an email. So whatever else it is, you want to make sure to go ahead and verify it. Then once you verified that, you'd have successfully went ahead and then booked your shifts on Flexii. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.